Map of Huntington Central Park. Exploring Central Park. I believe this is Talbert Lake. The Shipley Nature Center in Huntington Beach, Central Park. Looks like they have butterflies. Looks like it's carpeted in algae or something. This is a low-lying wetland. That must be like Talbert Marsh. The water table is so close to the surface that it never drains. Canada geese have found a nice place to forage. Thomas Ridley Concert Bandstand. We got Civic artwork. This installation is called To See Yourself in Nature. It was erected in 2023. The artist is Matt Niebuhr and David Dahlquist. The art studio at RDG Planning and Design. Celebrating the beauty of Huntington Central Park and nature horizontal plane of reflection. And this is the second half of the installation. Secret Garden in Huntington Central Park.